executive has finally...
Weapons factory will play a leading part in the UK and Europe's fight back against the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Following the Prime Minister's announcement last week of an increase in national defence spending, a huge order for thousands of air defence missiles has been placed with Thales, the French company with a manufacturing base in East Belfast. Hundreds more staff will be recruited to fulfil the contract, which is worth well over £1 billion. Our business correspondent, Clodagh Rice, is live for us at the factory this evening. This is a big deal, Clodagh.
That's right, Declan. This is big news in East Belfast and the biggest ever order for this Thales factory just behind me. The announcement was made yesterday at a summit of European leaders in London by the Prime Minister Keir Starmer and comes just days after that explosive press conference at the White House. Today's news has divided local political opinion, with some welcoming the jobs creation and others suggesting that this money could have been spent differently, as I've been finding out.
Belfast-built weapons are already being used on the ground by Ukrainian forces. Now, a new order has come in for what's known as lightweight multirole missiles, or LMMs, and it's much bigger than any previous order.
Last night, I announced a deal that perfectly symbolises the new era. A partnership with Ukraine that allows them to use £1.6 billion of UK export finance to buy 5,000 air defence missiles manufactured in Belfast.
The Ministry of Defence say this is the largest ever contract received by Thales here in East Belfast. It will mean taking on 200 extra staff, and the deal itself is initially worth almost £1.2 billion, with the potential for a further £500 million worth of work in collaboration with an industry partner in Ukraine. The news has been met